right, let's talk about our proofs. We're going to start with 8, and then we'll go back to 7. So again, when you're doing a proof, the first thing you need to do is copy down your given line. It's the most important thing you can do. Get down, what am I given? And then we'll mark up our picture here. So I'm given HK is congruent to LJ. That's already given, it's already marked. Now given angle HKJ is congruent to angle LJK. So that's also marked. So now I've got my two pieces that are congruent, and I want side, angle, side congruence. So what do I still need? I've got a side, I've got an angle, I've got a side, got an angle. What do I need for side, angle, side congruence? So your second step should always be asking yourself, what do I need? And what I need there is the other side. So I need the side that's going to connect to make this an included angle. And this middle side, this shared side, is the one that's going to connect to give me, look at this here. Now I've got two sides with that angle touching both of them. Now I've got two sides and an included angle. So I want the middle side. That's what I want. If I want the middle side, that would be KJ. It's congruent to KJ. So this is what I want, or what I need. That's what our second step should always be. So I need KJ's congruent to KJ. I need this. And how can I say that something's congruent to itself? What's that property? It starts with an R. It's going to be our reflexive property. So we need our reflexive property. That's how we're going to say that KJ is congruent to KJ. Always ask yourself, what do I need first? Then how can I prove that? How can I say KJ is congruent to KJ? And then lastly, now we're done because I have side, angle, side, and I have side, angle, side. So I know that those are congruent figures, and I know they're congruent by side, angle, side. There we go. Same idea for 7. Copy down what's given. It's your given step. It's always the first thing we do. Take what you're given. Now you got to ask yourself, if this is what I'm given, what do I still need for side, angle, side? I've got a side, I've got an angle, I've got a side, I've got an angle. So what's the next thing that I need to get side, angle, side? So you ask yourself, what do I need? And I need that other side. So what's the other side? It's going to connect to my included angle. That would be PR over there. And then let's use the other triangle. I have a side, I have an angle. What's the other side that makes that an included angle? That would be SR. And now let's look around and see if there's any way that we can say that PR and SR are going to be congruent. So I want that these two sides are congruent. How can I say they're congruent? Well, let's look at our given statements. I've already used these two, so those don't help me too much. But here I have R is the midpoint of PS. And what does it mean to be a midpoint? Well, it means it's in the middle. It cuts it in half. It means that those two parts are equal. So because of the definition of midpoint, by that definition, I can say that those two pieces that I want to be congruent are actually congruent. Let's try 9 And we will try 10 on your own. So 9, again, copy down the given statement. So CAB is congruent to DAB, and you mark that in your picture. And then say that CA is congruent to DA. So CA is congruent to DA. And now what do I need? What needs to be congruent here? I've got a side, got an angle. I'll do this one in pink. I've got a side, got an angle. So in the bottom triangle, I need AB. So we always ask ourselves, what do I need? I need AB to get side angle side, because that would get me, I'll do that one in pink pen as well. That would get me side angle side. And then in the top triangle, I need AB as well. So I need that AB is congruent to AB. And how can I say that something is congruent to itself? What property is that? That is our reflexive property. And now I have side angle side for both triangles. So I can say that these are congruent triangles by side angle side. Same idea for 10. I'll zoom out. You can check your work, let me know what questions you have, and I will see you guys tomorrow.